Hi everyone, today I've got this card to share with you that I made for my dad for Father's Day. It's a little bit late for Father's Day of course, but I had loads going on so I haven't been able to upload recently. However, this card is great for birthdays as well. This card is a quick and easy make and I made it using the card kit that came with issue 188 of Papercraft Essentials. And so I've selected a background and then I'm just picking little die cuts to arrange around the background. And I chose this because my dad loves gardening and he's got his own little greenhouse and everything in his back garden. And so I haven't uploaded for a while. As I said, I've been quite busy and then I kind of lost my motivation for a little while for card making. It's not that I don't still really enjoy doing it, it's just getting the motivation to actually start sometimes is quite difficult. And then we went on holiday, so we were away for a week and then my laptop broke. So like all of my footage and everything that's on my laptop, I can't get access to, and it's really difficult recording videos and uploading and editing without them because I've only got so much storage on my phone. So I'm sort of struggling, like my phone storage is now really full and I can like upload, I've bought some cloud storage and I can upload to it, but it takes ages to upload. So I'm just trying to find solutions. At first I didn't think I was going to be able to get my laptop sorted. I replaced the battery myself and then I found out that there's something else wrong with it. So there's someone in our village who runs a repair service, so he's got it and he's trying to repair it. However, there's a problem with the logic board and he says that it's going to take quite some time. He's waiting for some new equipment, so it's going to be weeks. I'm really lost without my laptop. I'm also really busy with my Etsy. I'm trying to be more consistent and regular with it because I want to make it successful. And I'm posting to Instagram more regularly too. But that's also an obstacle because I'm struggling with my photography. My DSLR is quite old. It's still a brilliant camera, but there's no way for me to sort of wirelessly connect. I'm not even sure if new cameras do that. I'm pretty sure that they would be able to. But it means I'm struggling to get my photos off my SD card for my products on Etsy and for my Instagram posts and things like that. My husband's got a desktop computer. I'm using that a little bit, but it's not sustainable long term. So I'm now looking at adapters that I can connect to my phone to upload my SD images to my phone or to the iPad. However, again, it's a storage issue. But I'm hoping that if I can get one that I can transfer from my phone to the SD card as well, that'll help massively. And just back to the card now, there's not a lot of explanation required here really. I'm just adhering all the little die cuts down that I've arranged, and then I just mat and layer the scene onto green and brown cardstock, and then I attach it all to the slimline card. And that's it. I really love these kits for nice quick and easy cards that still look effective. I'm also sorry about my croaky voice today, I've got a stinking cold. I hope you like this card. Hopefully, this time I'll be back much sooner with another one. I've got loads of videos, I just need to get them uploaded. And once I've worked out a better solution for my video footage and stuff like that, I'm sure I'll be able to do that. Catch you all again soon. Bye.